This is for all you weird people out there. Would you rather eat rotten milk or rotten cheese? Yes, interesting. Think about it. Answer to yourself. Now, subscribe and tell us if you like this bad eat. Now, my friend here, like once again I'm gonna mention, likes Dylan Rivera.
Guys, get over it.
And what do you think she should do? Do you think she should ask her out or let her friend to date him? I don't know. No. Would you rather be in jail for a year or be sad? But survive.
But be in a hospital.